Alright, we're gonna be doing a little Bone2 dev stream tonight. The last two I've done have been a little less, have been a little more interesting than what I'm about to do today, but you know how it is with games. Sometimes you get to do something interesting, and other times you do UI stuff. And today we're doing some UI stuff, so yeah, I hope you're excited. Whoever is in the chat right now. So yeah, let's switch over to the scene. This, and also I need to have the ticker here as well. We gotta have that America's Test Kitchen OST over here. Okay, so to explain what I'm gonna be doing, you're probably familiar with this level select map. So what I'm gonna be doing is I will make it so it goes between this dark world variant and this light world variant. And this, of course, is not gonna be only cosmetic. It's also going to be how you get to dark world levels from the level select as well. So, in case you've forgotten what this is like, or just haven't seen it completed before, because I'm not sure if I really showed it before, like with sound and stuff. This is how you select levels. It's done like a gun chamber, and when you press jump, it goes into this level select mode. And you can use a mouse to operate it, as well as, you know, normal keys. It works with a controller as well. And what I want to do is when you press shift, or that would be left trigger, it will switch over to the dark world. And when you go into the level select, it's going to show you stats for your dark world times, if you have any. So yeah, that should be interesting. I'm gonna probably have to like BRB at some point to like write down exactly how to what exactly needs to happen in between those, but I haven't really had the time to do that off stream this time. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do it live. And one of the recent things that I've done is when you have stats for both like an any percent run and also a 100% run, it's gonna show you both of them. As you can see, it's just cycling every second. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell, and yeah, we'll get started on this right away. Let me just see if there's anybody in the chat still. Me, myself, and UI. Hello, Kyo. So yeah, let's turn this music back on, and yeah, let's get started. So one thing I want to mention is this will only be possible if you have all the worlds unlocked. So like when it's like this, you're not gonna be able to switch to dark world, because it's essentially kind of like a new way to play the game. So yeah. So first of all, I need to remember how this is actually done. So this is the world map texture. The speedrun game, yeah. Yeah, I am in trouble reading chat because like over on my other monitor, the rest of the Unity UI is present, so it's covering up my chat. Every day we get darker and darker. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over and see if my graphics are set here. That was in menu, right? Yeah. You can see this is the first one. The second one, it's already set, so that's fine. The UI, I need like the graphic for the map instructions. This one's not set, so I need to make this 27. Also, if you're wondering, this playlist is just like Nintendo DS music. That's why it's like stuff you haven't heard on the stream before. Single, yeah, that seems fine. Yep, okay. This, and okay, so that's the block. Nice. Here we have the level select script. This is what controls like everything that happens here. I need to have this on my screen as well. Bones, hello. How you doing? So, yeah, I kinda explained this when there was nobody here, but we're doing a level select, like, world type switching today. And, game's coming along well. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be done by the end of the month. I haven't officially said this, but I kinda want the game to be out on Halloween. And yeah, that's what I've been working towards. God, and this is a mess. This should just be like in one line. That's sprite, yeah, level sprite, and this is... Okay, so I need to have a, like, world sprites array below this, so... Sprite... world map sprites. Let's assign this immediately so I don't forget. Is the TF2 Classic VOD gonna be uploaded? Yeah, probably. I just haven't gone around to making the thumbnail for it. Yeah, because I've just been busy with this game. Also, I need to make the default here to be sprite 2. I can never like think of what to set for thumbnails that are just like TF2. I guess just like a frame of the video or something. Like I have like uploaded the other TF2 classic streams that I've done with Leather and Kill and such, but I also just haven't done thumbnails for them, so they're just private now. I'll get around to it. Okay, so we've got this, and I guess well, let's just do the basic stuff first. So first of all, what happens when you switch over to Dark World, it's gonna do like a 360 spin, and then as it's spinning, it's gonna switch over to the other one, probably with like a fade to black. Which I wonder if I can do that with just the screen effects here. Probably can. I'll see. Alright. Spin. I'm gonna be looking for the chamber spin and also the image for the map image. That's 1, and where these blocks are. Okay. So it's gonna be image map display. Add SpongeBob into the game. God, like Squidward's suicide into the game. That probably could kind of work. I don't know, like, 'cause I think all the creepypastas that have been in the Bone.exe games have been from gaming creepypastas, but I'm not sure. There was one that wasn't. This background get child 1. I think it's this one. Get child 0. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So world map display, and I misspelled it. Okay. I'll have to fix that real quick. Image. And let's fix this too. Oh my god, okay, I pasted something where it shouldn't be again. Okay, that's fine. Let's now check where the spinning part is. So chamber turn, yeah, okay. Chamber turn. And that's... okay, yeah, start angle, target angle. Change level values, play animation. Here it is, okay. And this is a constant value, so I'll have to like make this like half speed maybe, or I'll see just how it is like normally, I guess. Okay. Oh, hello Echo. You didn't miss much. We kind of just started. It's only 15 minutes in, and that's with the pre-stream. Yeah, we're doing world map stuff. And we're listening to, let me tell you, the best Nintendo DS music playlist with 301 videos. Right, okay. This turn thing, I need to, yeah, world switch. I need to add a function that will actually read my input. But before I do that, I also need to have a flag that will set if I can actually even use this feature. So that's gonna be can switch world type. By default, that's gonna be false. And the start function here is gonna be that here. Okay, get multiple worlds unlocked. I think I have a function here to get if all are unlocked, right? I don't know why I'm asking you. Multiple worlds unlocked. Okay, yeah, no, I don't think I do. It levels stats, yeah, this is all fine. I get all completions, but that's not the same thing, because that's for whether all levels are unlocked. These are world marks. Okay, so multiple worlds unlocked. Fine. Let's do public static bool all light worlds unlocked. So yeah, this is a constant value, that's 4. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll basically just check if every world up to world 4 is unlocked. It's gonna be very similar to this. Yeah, okay. That's gonna be world amount. Actually, I probably could just replace this here. So that's gonna be bool. I can't just do like, if any of these return false, then just have this be set to return as false. Otherwise it's all true. Because if it goes through the entire loop and it doesn't get stopped, that means it's gonna be fine. And oh, I'm dropping frames. Oh no. You won't be able to see this text in 60 FPS. I think I even stream in 60 FPS, but yeah. Which has been on a streak of not giving me quality settings the last 5 or so streams I've been doing this. So that's fun. Okay. Here's the world map display. I'll have to add a section to this. That's its own, that and easy to find. So that's gonna be world type switching. It's gonna be easier to find. Delay llama. Right, so now I'm gonna do can switch world type is gonna be data share get all. What did I call this? That should be get all light worlds unlocked. That's easier to find in the yeah. The autofill. And just for now, let's do a debug log and say can switch world type. Can't switch world type, and that's gonna return either true or false, depending on what this is. Okay, let's kind of close down everything we don't need. There's a lot of functions in here, because this is meant for mouse and keyboard support, as you can see. Don't worry, you'll be able to read all of this in your leisurely time. I love crusty DS music, yeah, me too. It's so good. Loop key press. Mouse level navigation, don't need that. They're just open by default, I can't really do anything about it. So menu switch, not gonna be needed. Okay, fixed update. This will be needed. As you can see, I tried to put as few lines in the function that gets called every frame. Well, this isn't every frame, this is like every physics update. It's complicated, don't worry. But essentially every frame. So I tried to make those functions as short as possible. So lock menu switch menu type 0. Yep, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll have a thing here that's at the very bottom. That's gonna be actually I'll make it here, the top. So if can switch world type, I'll have a function here that will be switch world type. These ones at the top here. I'll keep the chamber one because I'll need that one. So switch world type. Did you hear that? Like in that song, it sounded like the Windows 10 disconnect sound, like right around here. Yeah, that part. I thought something disconnected for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna need to be like, okay, bool press, and it's gonna be controls. It's gonna be player. It's gonna be extend aim. This connection sound jump scare. God, yeah. Maybe. I forgot what I made this. Get key down, I think. Hang on. Something like that. Yeah, get button down. Why did that not get autofilled? I wonder. Yeah, get button down. The reason it's called this, by the way, is because this is my own like extension to the Unity input system that I made. Because the way the new input system like accepts input commands is very convoluted. As you can see, it's like very strange. So I made this to sort of mirror how the old old inputs were called. And yeah, it's just a very frustrating mess. But yeah, so fun. And now when I press the extend aim button, which is bound to shift, I should have a print in the console that will be saying like the button was pressed. And there's the Windows disconnect sound again. Okay. Right, so we've got this, and do you think we're gonna crash or not? I'm streaming, so this engine's gonna probably crash at least at some point in this stream. Right, let's see. So we've got this. And let me see. It did say, yeah, can't switch world type, set to true. And let me press shift. Was it not working? Hang on. Oh, I didn't actually set this here. This needs to actually be here. Whoops. Will not crash today. So you think. It's spamming it, which is not good. Probably because, okay. If I'm getting ahead of myself again. Yeah, just terminate it if it hasn't been pressed. Really, I kinda just don't even need this bool here, I just need this. Doesn't need to be passed on. Yeah, now it's working fine. You can't really see that well, so I'll put this console here maybe. As you can probably hear my keyboard that I'm pressing shift and it's working. So now the difficult part is actually making this work. Okay, I think before I do anything, I'll just make it switch without any animations and have it work that way. Hopefully that will be fine. Also, this music sounds like the Felix the Cat Game Over. Like, hang on, maybe I can find a MIDI of this in the dev folder actually. Like, we'll continue, I think. Okay. Probably know what I'm talking about anyway, but just in case. Yeah, MIDI's. MIDI's just called head. This is what I'm talking about. It was like at some point here. Yeah, this part. You get the point. Robinson's bootleg. So let's just make this switch if that happens. We need to make a whole routine for this, I'm pretty sure. So let's make one. Just for now, it's not gonna actually like do anything in sequence. It's just gonna be instant. Also, yeah, there's been a DS game of like everything, I'm pretty sure, at this point in time. It's pretty funny how much shovelware was on the DS. And the Wii too. You gotta wonder like how much the dev kits were for the DS and the Wii. There was so much they made for it. Imagine being a DS game. I wouldn't dare. Chamber turn. I wanted to make this the same as the other one. Like, yeah, this. Is there anything that switches? I need to keep track of in here. Not really, no. No, I don't see anything. Alright. Don't think I'll like bother with this for now. And I'll make another coroutine just to be extra safe. It's gonna be switch world type coroutine. Pinkie Pie's Party on the DS Experience Castle Horse Hell. Isn't that the game that you played on stream like a long time ago? I think I remember something like that. If, what was this? If switch is not null, in that case just return, because I don't want this to be spent. So that's gonna be start coroutine switch. That was I switch world type. There we go. And I think that's it for this function. Everything else I think will be in the coroutine. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think that will be the safest here. Gonna be like switch set to null here. I'm gonna need a flag also that will keep track of which world type is currently present too. Can't exactly tell. Yeah, okay. It'll be true by default because it's light world. And yeah, let's see. Spelled this too. Let's put this here too as well, just so it's consistent. Spin the wheel for the treasure to take. No, I'm pretty good right now. I'm just doing like the raw switching stuff before I do any animations. Also listening to this delightful Meet the Robinsons music that's been playing for almost 6 minutes. Yeah. Alright. Oh, this one's nice. As usual, yeah. So, world type. This is gonna basically work like a light switch, so whatever this value is, it's gonna be the reverse when it's set like this. Basically like a light switch every time this is run. So when we have this, we can go to the folder, I think. So that's gonna be world map display. It's gonna be that sprite. Switch, yeah, and that's gonna be world map sprites. It's gonna be current. Okay, so this is called like a logical, like a logic operator. I haven't known what this is for a long time. I didn't understand how this works, but basically it's like asking a question. So if this is true, meaning like it's positive, then it's going to be 0, but if not, it's going to be 1. It's basically, is this true, then this, if not, then this. And 0 is the light world sprite index, and 1 is the dark world sprite index. You'll see how this works in just a second when I save this. By the way, I hope the music is not too loud. Right now it's just going to be changing the sprite and nothing else. So as you can see, Yeah, really just a light switch. Yeah, actually kind of reminds me of like, hang on. Where is this? Reminds me of like this thing here. There it is, okay. It's from like this old like disc that I had that had a bunch of kids' poems, and they had these flash animations with them. These guys, yeah, the two Michaels dancing. Maybe I can sync this. It's actually pretty good to make menu music, but there's no way in the hell there's a MIDI of these. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Anyway, go back to Emily the Strange. Two of them. What two guys dislike this? I don't know. The like-dislike has been kind of broken for me recently. I think what I need to do here is like check the menu type in this. If it's like this, I need it to be replaced. So if it's like this, it's fine, but if it's like this, then I need to actually set the offset for what level is being displayed here by 4. So I need to find where the levels are selected here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Set level select. This is this again? Oh yeah, this is just that. Menu toggle. I think I'll just do that then. Yeah. Let's put this on. I don't remember exactly where I put this. Menu switch, yeah, menu toggle. Let's do that. It's been like 2 months or so since I wrote this, so I kind of don't remember everything here. Okay. Let's put this here. Menu toggle. I don't exactly remember what this does. But before I test this, I also want to set the level select here. That's going to be display data, level display, and it's world ID. This used anywhere else here, I wonder. It's twice. That's in the chamber and the other value. Okay. I have to make this work for both of them. It's gonna be plus current. It's gonna be false, because if it's false, I need to add 4 to the world value. It's gonna be world amount or 0. So just add nothing when it's light world. And same here. Now we can test it. Gamer dementia. Oh, interesting. It kind of works, but also kind of not, because I don't want it to like whoosh back into the other world. It's a bit of a problem. But I am seeing these, but the check marks are incorrect. Well, they kinda are, cause when you collect the special item on the level, it's supposed to be both for the light world and the dark world variant. I guess this isn't entirely incorrect, it's just feels wrong. So yeah, I need to put a slightly different function in this, which is like here, yeah, menu toggle. What is this music called? Noises. Hello? Is this still the same one? Okay, I'll switch this because this is 10 minutes long. Okay. I could have sworn you did like an animation for switching between the dark world and the light world. Well, I didn't get around to doing that yet. The idea is it switches, like, spins 360 degrees. Which is not what I want. And menu type 1. So 1 is, if you go here, 0 is world select, 1 is level select. So if it's 1, then that's what I'll be checking. And 1 is like when it's inside the level select submenu. So I want this basically here. Then the function, it's chamber turn, so I'll place this here. Now this should be better, maybe? Oh, okay, so it's not being set like immediately here, which is a problem. Is this like set lower? Yes it is. Okay, this needs to be like here. I'll split this off with just a thing that says cosmetic at the time. Because the problem is, because this updates first before this flag is set, then the first time the level is displayed it's still like the old one. Got this. Doesn't play a sound, but that's fine, I can like make a thing for this later. Also, why are these semicolons like spaced out here but not here? Also, this one's just spaced like this. Yeah, this will have to be fixed. Consistent. These are all with one space, and this one's just... This one does not have a space. This one does have a space. This one does, okay. Yeah, well this will need to be fixed. Because these are also inconsistent, okay. Well, that's something for you to do. No, I did not like make a thing. I did not make an animation for switching between the worlds. That's why I'm only doing this now. I think you're having like a glimpse into the future or something. Okay. So this is fine. So the chamber turn now. I need to look at the way the worlds are being switched. Yeah. this is all done in here, so maybe I can just like use this. Probably. Chamber turn. Let's try this and see how I can make this better, maybe. That's gonna always be, I guess, 1. Because that's just menu switch, isn't it? Play animation. Oh, I see, that's just... It's just this, okay. I can't just do this, I think. Place this between this one and the other one. So like... Play animation is gonna be... I think only if menu type is 1, so... Like this. And then copy this as well. This is nice music too. There can canonically see 1 hour into the future. It's like, yeah, King Crimson Requiem. Ugh. Let's note this, I'll place this here. That way this is way more concise. I mean, I may just, like, not even need this. We'll see. I'll just comment this out for a second, because this probably is already taken care of in these. The display data thing. Okay, let's give this a try. What the intention is here is that it will zoom out and then zoom back in when the sprite is changed. So when I do this, it's just does it instantly, but in this mode, yeah. I really do like these sounds. I think I did a good job with them. So now the next thing to do will be the actual spinning of the chamber. Yeah, so this one might be a problem actually, because making something spin 360 degrees is actually a bit difficult, because the game or the thing I'm doing, it's just gonna think that I'm trying to spin it like to the position it's already at, so it's not going to spin at all. So what I need to do is make it spin like to 720 or something. We'll see. The actual spinning script here is done by this. But I'll have to keep this like here somewhere. So it's like here. And I'll need to add a float here for progress. Start angle and target angle. And that's gonna be... yeah. Start angle is its current rotation. I need to make these below each other. So target angle is gonna be start angle plus 360 or minus 360, because I think that's gonna make it go clockwise. The degrees go counterclockwise, so this needs to be subtracted, I think. But I'm not entirely sure. Because when it goes into negatives, that's also sometimes messes it up. Background. Yeah, okay, so when this is done, I need to set the rotation back to what it was at first. So here I'll have this be returned to start angle. So it's going to be vector free forward multiplied by start angle. Vector free forward is just short for writing 0, 0, 1, which means it's gonna be like 1 on the third position multiplied by whatever this start angle is. Because when you're working with 2D, you rarely really need to rotate things in a different direction than Z, which is like this. You know? Okay, so it's going counterclockwise. It's not making a sound, which is something I'll have to fix. But I do want it to be clockwise. Let me see, where's the... Yeah, this sound here is what's missing. I'll need to make like a special sound for this world switching, which I might actually do on stream as well. Make it a 2-for-1. So I want this to switch when progression is at halfway, and also maybe slow this down by like half, because it's kind of annoying to look at. So I'll do this. Divide this by 2. Oh, and also this world map here. Okay, so when make a flag here that's like switched, it's gonna be false. And then if progress bigger than 0.5 and switched. It's not the best way to do this, but it's fine. It's not gonna destroy your computer if I do this. It's actually a pretty light check, all things considered. Sounds are awesome too. Thank you. Alright, so now it should switch when it's like right in the middle of it. You can barely even tell that it switches. Yeah. It's actually pretty seamless. I was gonna do like a fade of the wheel, but I don't even think I need to, because it's already like you can't even see when it switches. And it still switches you. It takes you to light world though. That's fine. That's probably because the actual lives that you enter with are positive, so it automatically puts you back into light world. Yeah, if I just make a unique sound for this, I don't think I need to add any like additional effects to this. Also, yeah, Gregory Edgeworth theme. That's nice. I guess I shouldn't be surprised because this is a Nintendo DS playlist. If there's any more coming. Not for a while, I don't see any. No, I don't really see that many. If any, that is. Interesting, they just put this one. Oh no, there is, I see one, okay, but that's way after this one. Yeah, it works. Well, I think when I return, it's gonna go back to Light World. Yeah. Which is fine. I was gonna do a thing where it checks which one to have based on what level you just left, or I guess I could probably just check the amount of lives that you have. That's probably a sure way to check this. That is very satisfying though. It's like... yeah, that's pretty cool. I just need a unique crank sound for when this switches. I'll have to think of something. Because I wanted this to be like evil. Donkey Kong Jungle Climber OST. I didn't even know what this game is. Isn't this like the game that everyone says like, oh, the Donkey Kong game that nobody played? Something like that? I don't know. Okay, right, let me actually make, what should I do? I want to check, like, can you spam this maybe? Yeah, that's a problem. Enter this again. Yeah, okay. I'll have to do something with this. I think when this is active, I'll have to like stop these. Okay, so lock menu switch probably have to be set here if it's not being set already. I have to check, because it should do it automatically, but I'm not sure if it will. Where is this? Yeah, lock menu switch not really being set right somewhere. Here, true and false. Right, okay. I think this cannot be here. Where's this? Because this gets set to false a bit too soon. I'll just have this empty for now. Here and here. Probably gonna cause some other problems, but let's see for now. Yeah, okay. Probably shouldn't have changed this. Okay. Let's see, what else can I do? Menu switch. Right, okay. What is this? What is this music? Another code memories. Everyone's going deep. Oh man. to do these button inputs like a bit differently. Maybe I should just like do a lock on fixed update entirely until the coroutine is done. Okay, yeah. Just hard lock on this executing. And that's gonna be set by these routines. And the same for this one. This should make this less spammable. Let's see. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. Also, don't worry. Whoa, what the hell? That was weird. Why did that happen? Why is this still 1-1 prompt? Okay, it's reading the wrong values somehow. This is fine. Maybe something to look into later. These are fine too, okay. And this is fine too. It's only world 4. Okay, now it's working okay. It's world 1. It's doing this. Okay, 4-2 is working. Well, that's interesting. Hang on, is this actually set to be the right name? World 3 level 1. Oh, it is set, so that's weird. I'll have to see this later. If I can find like a blank piece of paper. Hang on a sec. None of these are okay. Ow. We got one. Actually, I may have an inkling as to why this is. Let me just check World 4 real quick. Just real quick. And there we go, yeah. This is not set correctly. Okay, I don't know how this happened. I'm 100% sure this was set correctly before. This one's 1-4. Why are some of these just set to be World 1? Same with this. Okay, I have no idea how this happened. We did have a replacement of all the levels recently. And I don't know if something got lost in translation here, but it definitely was not World 1 before. This one's set correctly. I'll put this down here so you don't see these levels. I mean, he made them on stream, but still. -3. Yeah. These are all set, so I don't know what happened to World 4 that made it set to World 1. At least that, you know, it's not some issue with the code, it's just incorrectly assigned. So these all seem to be set right. Go back to the level select. And now this should be set correctly. Okay, why is the, okay, for a second I was worried that this was somehow rotated 90 degrees. Wait, yeah, now it's loading what it should be. Okay, let's go back to whatever I was doing here. Yeah, lock update function, I was testing if this is spammable still. Okay, it's not spammable. As much as I can see at least. Hang on. Okay, yeah. Don't worry about this console saying make levels account for Dark World full completions. This will be probably added later. Because yeah, in Light World you can kind of just skip some levels and not actually have a check mark on the Light World itself. So that should be fine eventually. How long have I been streaming? Okay, just an hour. So okay, so I've done switching worlds. I don't need this because this is done automatically in the level switching function. So what I need to do is change the lives the player starts the level with. But that's gonna be for the actual level enter. So this was in like enter level somewhere. Level select navigation, enter level, load level. Yeah, it says here like load this, and when I enter the world, you can see that it says that it's actually loading the Dark World level. And oh, it's actually not. Oh, because wait, it's because it's not actually being offset here. So this is the third time I have to replace this. So I think what I'll do is up here in the world select, go to definition, let's do get integer here, so that's going to be get world select, and this is a different type, so this is like basically just read only, so get return world select plus like this. This should be okay, I think. Expected. Wait. Oh wait, no, I wrote this incorrectly. Yeah, okay. It's like get return this, and then instead of using this like world select plus that, okay, let's take this. That's gonna be the capitalized one. Oh, okay, one sec. It's actually replacing too much. This is what I need. Okay, this much. Okay, what's the problem here now? Okay. Okay, now it replaced it correctly, I think. Maybe. So now it shouldn't matter how many lives you have. But I'll still make it switch how many lives you have if you entered the world with like positive lives and you enter into negatives, because then it kind of doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay. By the way, do you guys want to see how super mode looks like? Because I can do that real quick. And by what it looks like, I mean what it's like with sounds. Because you'll never see what it's like in the normal game. Because it requires you to have 15 lives in Dark World, which is like never gonna happen. Because that would imply you collected all of them in that one level. And I need to change the way this is set. So here I'll have it be 14. I'll maximize this. So when you collect 15 lives, you can see the phase up there changes. Oh, we actually found a bug with the what's it called? The invisibility. Now let me just kill myself real quick. Okay, I'm back. That's fine. I didn't even know this was here, to be honest. So yeah, every second your life drains, you get double damage, infinite double jump. And then the music resumes. That's the gist of it. So post. I'll figure out what that means later. So you need text on screen that says for 10 seconds you're invincible and can double jump. We could also have that on the game page. Can we get a cheat that gives you this one? Alright, the cheats. I mean, probably could, because, yeah, I just called a function. I'll also show you a different thing. When you complete a level with this active, there's a unique way it ends. So if I just hurry up. Yeah, the music just ends and it doesn't resume until next level. Alright, back to business, back to the level select. Here I'll save. Princess on Ice DS music. So in load level, I'll need to change the way how many lives you start with. So if it's Dark World, I think it starts you with -5. And then if you're positive and your lives are negative, you go to like 5 lives, I think. I don't remember what the default is. It's supposed to be like, hang on, like current lives is by default it's 5. So 5 and -5. Level select is here. Goo machine, why? So player control. Current lives. That's gonna be current math. So we're gonna clamp this from I guess 5? No, okay. I want this to only change if the values are actually like unacceptable. So if check with lives range. So you have 0 lives, then that's gonna be, or less or 0 lives, it's gonna be 5. And I'll see if I can make this better later. So player control. Bigger, equal to 0. -5. Let's see if I can make this a bit more optimized. Okay. If multiplied by multiplied by 1 if positive and -1 if negative, and that's gonna be current lives, and then check and then do this again. Let's see. Float. It can be just an integer. This is like stomach music. What is this? Bionicle Heroes. Okay. Also, this is a very strange way to view the main menu. if I now try this to go to Dark World, I start with -5. Okay, let's add a script here. Oh, it is set here, okay. Start lives, let's do 0. That should be the one that's strange. Yeah, so it starts me with 5. But if I just have 1 life, it's not gonna change it, and it does not. If I start with like -1 and then enter Dark World, I should have -1, and I do. Yeah, this works. I didn't fuck up math for once, hooray. Okay, so got this sorted. Next up is how this loads. As you can see, it always loads with Light World, and that's not what I want, because you're not always going to be resuming this from Light or Dark World. So I want to have a way to be able to check like what world type to have here. Which is... I was gonna just check the lives, but you could have positive lives and then go back to level select, which would mean you would enter to the light level select, I guess. I guess I could check like what level I just was on. I guess so. Let me check world mode. I'm going to guess that these are all set correctly. So let's try this then. So let's have a value here that's like public static last world mode. By default, this is going to be light as well. Right, this needs to be this. And this is called an enum. So it's basically just, you can specify exactly what this value is, like by a text name instead of like a number. It's kind of helpful. Okay, but in this start one, I guess awake, I'll have this be so like its last world mode is gonna be world mode. This is going to be overwritten like as soon as the level is loaded. And over here, let's have a thing here that checks what was the last world type that was loaded. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. This could just be one line. Okay, yeah, we got this here. Robots? Wait, is that the DreamWorks movie? No, it's just... No, it is. It's literally called Big Wealth Interior. Oh my god, there was a Robots GBA game. Or GBA NTS. Oh, that's great. Alright. Give this a quick test. And not have this maximized. Last world type, yeah, it's light mode. That checks out. Let's go back again. Okay, yeah, it's working. So this will all just be taken into account if you can actually switch the world type. So let's clamp this here. Like this. So it's load as dark world, and this is gonna be here somewhere. Like way up here, okay. Yeah, everything's in here. Yeah, okay. Let's copy both of these. This can just be set to false, and this one just reads 1. Okay, let's see this now. How long is this song? It's been 3 minutes. I think we can continue. Just got A3. Okay. So, I wish this kind of remembered what the level I was on was. It just goes back to this one. Maybe I can do that as well. Let's see, level select equals only 3 times. Maybe I can remember what was the ID of the last level I was in. I think DataShare has this, like last loaded level. Get level value, world unlock. I guess it's highlighting a bool. I don't understand. It's this one, yeah. Let's have thing here. Level and world actually, because I wanted to go back to the world you were in. Let's actually... Last loaded level, but instead of int, let's make this a vector 2 int. We can store 2 values. Let's make, by default, make this 1-1. I guess I can't do that for this specific one. Okay, Load song, load music, that's not what I want. To int world ID level ID. Okay. Only these two, okay, so that's fine. This one has 0 references, so that's fine. Back to level select. Back in start. Here, yeah, okay. So, level select. So that's gonna be the arrow position. And for this, what is the value here? World select. This one's static, so I need to like add or subtract 4 based on what is there. Or I could just like repeat it, I guess. Let's do that. Yeah. So like print last loaded level. Data share last loaded level. Repeat. Last loaded level.y. World amount. Cast as int, I guess. Right, okay. And just in case, we're gonna make this not static anymore. Nothing else, yeah, it's only used here. It's just to make sure this works. 3-6, go back to level select. What? Oh, I see, okay. What is the selection currently? Like, I do this. Current selection, because I may need to do an offset or something. We'll select 5, right? And that sets my into 3-3 to 3-6. Okay. Wrong background too. I'll hide this because I don't need to go through this every time. Is being set by anything else? Here, yeah, okay. It's like coding in an elevator. Doesn't know where it is, yeah. Sure doesn't. Okay, I need to find the rotation. This did work before. Oh yeah, cause this did here. I need to do this earlier. Like, let's do it here. Okay, this is where it's all being still set up. So let's do it here. It's gonna return the wrong thing to me. Would you program in an elevator? Probably would be as well ventilated as my room currently, so it wouldn't make a difference. Okay, it starts me off in world 2 for some reason. Huh. Last loaded level 05. World select 2. Level select 0. Huh? Is this being like set backwards? It should be 2 and 0. World ID, level ID. It's using the wrong values. Now everything makes sense. It's world select 1, level select 0. Okay. So the default one needs to be 0 and 0. I think. 0, 0 is actually 1 dash 1. What did that just do? Well, I think the prime example of the script thing completely shitting itself. Oh, it's fine. Don't worry, those were fake errors. -4. Alright. Go to B-4. C-4. Not the right one. Where is this? Where's this value? Yeah. Right, okay. I don't think subtracting 1 is gonna help. But let's see. It's world 2, 2-5. Level select. Okay. Try with the furthest one away. That works fine, okay. Right. I wish maybe I can add like motion blur when this is like spinning like that. I think that would look interesting. Just on this spinning though, and just for this part here. It works. Yeah, thank God. I don't think I need this shift button was pressed callback. So what I was gonna do next, I can cross out that 4-1 thing. Oh yeah, I need to have a thing that says, oh yeah, before I do anything, let me just like check something real quick. Go to C-5, and then we lock fourth world right back, because this would mean that this is not unlocked, and it goes back to world light world 5. If I try to go back there, it's gonna be light world. Okay, this is intended. I know. Trust me on this. We have menu overlay. Menu, which is arrows. I just need like a text prompt. Level name backdrop. Okay, I just need text to appear. Add an image, UI image. Be switch prompt. What was this called? Not world. change? No. I always have to find these manually. UI. Of course, it's map instructions. There you go. Looks exactly like it should be. Why is this so massive? 1. Yeah, it's fine. Let's do like this. Because the width is like 100 and 100. It's x0 and this height 1. Oh, 0 is fine too. It's actually not sized properly. Oh, go figure. Okay. Let's do 10 and 10. Let's do 0 and 10. Also, you misspelled switch. You put a T here as well. You can fix this later. I think this can just be toggled on and off on the start, I think. I'll have this off by on by default, because just how the scene is in the editor display. I don't know if Nick is even here anymore. Where's the menu overlay? Okay, does this have its own script? No, it does not. Let's see. Overlay. I'm pretty sure there's searches for it somewhere. Wow, there's 5,000 tabs or something. Okay. What is this? This is a different object, so it has to be set somewhere. Level display. It's a class, okay. Fair enough. Why didn't this get found when I searched for it? I don't understand. It can easily just be here, so let's do an image. Actually, just game object is fine. Which child is this? Whose child is this? Whose ass have I taken? It's 0, 1, 2, 3. make it this... We can switch world type. Let's make this public. I think level select is it's here. I changed this from mono behavior to level select. This should be fine. Set active. No, that's simple enough. I think I kind of want this to like bob up and down, but first of all, let's see this. Yeah, I just want to make it more noticeable. Whoa, wait a second. Okay. What I want to do is like... I want to check if this disappears if it's not here. Okay, it does not. It does, I mean. So let's make this do like a little sine movement. If this even works, as it should be. Probably won't. Wow, it's working. Just not as... it's just really slow. That's fine. I just want a little simple movement to this. Maybe when it's pressed it also goes like... something like that. I see it's like 100 speed, 1000 speed. It is just a sine, so yeah. You can easily add some animations if you use this. Very helpful. So you can set like a height offset or delay, stuff like that. The arrows, I'm pretty sure, use the same thing. The highlight scale, I'm looking for the arrow. Yeah, it's between relative points, but similar deal. So the speed is 8. I kind of want this to be in sync. So if I make this 8 as well, it should be in sync. Let's see. Should this be in sync or not? So I can do whatever. I feel it looks good in sync. Okay. He's offline on Discord, so he might have died. Okay. Maybe he went to the store again. We can add a little animation to this. When you press shift, it does a little, like, pop in and out. Level display, yeah. I do that, this better be rect transform. Rect transform being the UI equivalent of a transform, which just has your position, rotation, and your scale recorded. That sort of thing. Also, I realized something. Yeah, okay. Dementia kicking in again. What a way to transition into that song. AI. Switch animation. The fucking song. God. So we'll do like a ping pong, I guess. I hear what Trauma Sarah Under the Knife again. I think I've seen it once. Or like I've seen the sequel, I think, that was on the Wii. Also once. Let's try this. Hello? Did the music die? No, it just has 40 seconds of silence after it's done. That's gonna be a sign. Because I wanted to go like back and forth. Pi. You see, because sine wave, it starts to pi is a 0, I think. Starts at 0, ends at 0. By ends, I mean at 2 pi. I wanted to just do it once. Okay, yeah, so I don't need to multiply this by 2. It should be okay. It's like a weird, like me channel theme, or like Wii Shop channel theme. What? Main. Okay. What is this actually? Oh, it's Mario Yakuman DS, and there's Mario and Peach on the title screen. display. See how this looks. Looks interesting, I guess. I can make it a bit bigger if I wanted to. Let's do 4. Why can't I pause when I... Okay. That's amazing. The engine actually refuses to pause when this is switching. Why? It's like the pause also like it only works some of the time. Because it's shift. Okay, let's just make this like 10, I don't know. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, I see. Let's do make this times 2. Unpausable menu. You can't escape. Whoosh, wow. Now it's really in your face. I don't know if I like it being this large. I'll do like 1.25 maybe. Got to turn off stream again. You could get dizzy watching this. Okay, maybe like 1.1. This still seems too big for me. Shift to switch, yeah. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Okay, we've got this. Let's see if this will do anything if it's invisible. Let's go to switch prompt. Not being animated, so that's fine. Pressing shift doesn't work. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's everything, I think. I'll get rid of these messages here because I don't need them. Not those anyway. Who's in here? 2 viewers. Not sure. Not sure if I can play something different here. Is okay. Alright, this seems okay. Apparently kills that this level select is pretty nice. And yeah, I kinda like how it's like one thing, world select and level select in one, and you can easily switch between them. It's reading some cursor data here, like micro movements from the mouse. My A key is just really sensitive. Yeah, I think it's just the mouse, like, micro movements or something. It's like, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's... Huh. I need to check something. Where's the level select? So how long have I been streaming even? 2 hours and 7 minutes. In debug, allow mouse, I think. Huh. The hell? This is so weird. But is it like move one pixel or one level? But only sometimes. Let's move this again. Yeah, now it's moving again. Interesting. It's probably just my mouse, but that's very strange that it's doing that. Okay. Like when it turns from one world to the other, it like stays on the last level and then moves to like one level to the left or right. Like okay, mouse. Mouse select mode. Mouse tracking. Let me try this. Just for a sec here. It's working like a no. When it's out of the screen, it's like doing that. And now it's not gonna do it. Does it matter if it's on the screen? Okay, this does not help at all. I'll have to see like what is exactly is changing that level. Oh, what is this one? Doko Demo Yoga, okay. Okay, level... equals this, okay. Okay, I did get this, so let's see that. But it's from the mouse. I guess, oh wait, that's the other thing. Okay, level select. Where does this actually get changed? Update levels, that changes the entire world. Yeah, let's do that. Sorry that I'm getting sidetracked here. I just want to fix this because I don't know what's causing this. Why it's only happening sometimes. We'll do like we'll do a sound after this for the switching. Okay, I got one. Let's see. It's any different? Okay, let's loop key press. Is that not getting cancelled when I do that? No. Oh, I see. Okay. Cancel. Right, okay. Is this not in the coroutine? I could have sworn it was, but what do I know? I guess it just slips through sometimes. We'll see if that's still a problem now. Okay, yeah, that's been fixed. Let's do the sound then. Let me just prepare my scenes here. I'm still here, I'm just setting this up. I won't be able to listen to music while this is going on, so yeah. I'll need to find the folder for the sounds again. Okay. Import audio. Alright, that's fine. Let's see the sound. Oh no, those are the wrong sounds. Just to see that. Need to find the other sounds. Hang on. Just put this on again. Doesn't show the folders, goddammit. Okay. No. Oh my god. Like every folder except the one I need. There it is, okay. Okay, let's see. Gonna even show up. Yeah, okay. Alright, we've got the samples. Now let's see how is this supposed to sound like. Let me see like the sounds for the crank. Like menu, level select menu turn. Yeah, it's this one. So I can have some sort of reference for how long this is supposed to be. Now we're gonna have to pause now. Pause the music. Cooking guide on the DS. Would love to play that. Wait, what? Okay. So, sounds. Let's go back to Unity. You won't be able to see it. I just want to see how long this is supposed to be. Like that. Okay. It'd be like. Oh, that's not a very good way to check this. Okay, yeah, that'll do. That's the length we're looking for. So let's delete the rest of this. Okay, so we got unofficially this is sounds part 4, but it's only one sound for now. I don't. It'd be something evil. I think you can. Why is this still showing just? Okay, the wrong one. The problem. Okay. There we go. By music time. Okay. I want it to be like ominous. I'm not sure if I have something like this. I don't think I used this sound. think this one's good because it's like, it sounds like something's changing. Let's do fade in and make this last like, it's shorter. See? It is too long, definitely, but I want this to be slower. Bit more. Beat 30 to 50. Okay. And then we add some. Let's add some reverb maybe to the, or just echo the cranking. Make this a bit faster. And we add echo. I wish this was played in its entirety so I know exactly. A little bit at this start that's normal sounding. Okay. Got this like, let's make this fade in sooner, like that. And add a little bit of echo to the end. A bit more natural. Alright, let's try it like this. Maybe wave. And over here in the, wow, I have to switch between these. Over here we're going to be changing this turn sound. So that was world switch. And let's see. I don't think you've had like a stream where I'm switching over between these two. Right? Did I save it? It's the wrong name. Oh, I saved it as switch world and I call for world switch. And it's not playing anything because that sound doesn't exist. My memory is fucked, guys. Alright. It could be faster, I think. Like, let's make this like 10 faster, something. But this doesn't need to be here. A little bit more. Alright, let's try it now. Okay, it replaced the wrong sound. Don't worry. That will be... Where's the world switch? I'll find that later. Just for now, it's something else, I guess. Oh. Okay, yes. Export this. Redo. Okay, control. All right. Okay, let me just grab a copy of the sound that was in the dev folder. Yeah, these things just happen. Yeah, turn sounds. Even though I replaced it with the different sound, it did not care. Oh, yeah, I was gonna add like motion blur or something to this, right? Let's see. Let's do global volume. Yeah, indeed, yeah. We can go back, but I think I wanted to play negative. I'm gonna play correctly. Okay. Effects, screen. E. Apparently screen effects don't affect the UI. They do. The lightning like loaded. Just the cameras doesn't have it, I guess. Let me see. Post processing. Okay, that was the problem. I want to do something with this. Maybe not negative, but something like it. Do anything? It's just bloom. Okay, let's do a new one. What did it get called? Invert colors, right? Whatever. Level select effect. And let's move this out of here. I have this. I think I had this in shaders, right? I don't know why I'm asking again. Well, it wasn't settings. Settings render. Yeah, okay. You can't see what I'm doing right now. Right. Let's see what we've done. And I'll show a little bonus thing that's not really that important, but it might be a bit interesting. Okay, so we got this, changes here. Works. So this intro here, it's not gonna be playing when you go back to the main menu. It's only like this because I haven't actually entered the scene before like the game started. It only plays once when you launch the game. Anyway, when you first load the game, it plays at data loader. Let's save. So when the sounds are being loaded in, you'll see this. That switches over to the intro cutscene. You're not gonna be watching that. And then it goes to this. And go into the level select. It's only this. Good way to check if this is correct. And here it is. Congratulations, hero. I wanted to watch that. Well, that's gonna be the stream. And so we've done the entire world select thing, which is nice. We've done this in about 3 hours, if you count the pre-stream. So yeah, on fun stuff this was not, because it was UI, but I'm glad it's over. And yeah, I don't know what happened to Leather, but hopefully he's fine. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing this weekend. I'm definitely gonna be crunching more of this after the stream is over, so yeah, I'll probably just have like a dinner break or something. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good night.